this is Chef Demo. Welcome back to another video. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and share, tell your friends. Today we're gonna make coconut shrimp the simple way. Something you could do with your kids, so let's get back to it. Alright guys, this is what I'm gonna be using. We're not gonna be doing too much. These are shrimp. Everything's already cleaned up. The only thing we're gonna be using is our seasoned Creole blends. It's really good. And also with a little twist, make sure we're gonna add some extra hat on the sauce. And also the special ingredient that we're gonna be using is coconut flowers. You see it, coconut flour, guys. And that's about it. Put everything on a Ziploc bag. But first, let's clean our hands. We'll put all our shrimp inside the bag. What we're gonna do, we're gonna add about 2 to 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, okay. That's it. And then also we're gonna add a little half. That's it. Close it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna shake it. Look at this. How we change the colors. And then, but not least, we're gonna add a little pinch of salt. Give me a second, let me find the salt. We're gonna add a little bit of pinch of Himalaya pink salt. Close it again. Shake it some more. Okay. Now everything is well mixed. Open it up. Let me show you a close look exactly how it looks like. This simple one shrimp. Look at this. Okay. Now we're gonna let it sit while we add about 1/2 cup of coconut flowers while it's still inside the bag. Okay. Now I'm gonna open this. Open it up. Okay. Remember, that's coconut flowers, okay? We're gonna add 1 cup. We're gonna zip it up again. We're gonna shake it up. just like that. And then meanwhile, so we're gonna switch back. We're gonna open we're gonna get back to the oven right now. Alright guys, so now let's start the cooking process. Okay, we're gonna make sure our pan is about 350 to 375, or maybe 300 at least. Let's get it warm up. See? Okay. One. We're gonna let it cook about 1 minute on each side. We're gonna try to flip it. What do you think, guys? Okay. Start flipping it. Now, the final process, what we're going to do right now, we're going to take the coconut, right? We're going to take everything, we transfer all everything here. We're going to transfer everything here. Put it in the air fryer for 2 minutes. Yeah. So now we're gonna take everything right now. We're gonna take it inside the air fryer right now. Okay. So take a look right now how they look like right now. Everything
everything is there right now. We're gonna inside. We're gonna set it up for about 3 minutes. It was okay with 370, and we're gonna let it cook. Okay. 3 minutes. Listen guys, that's the finishing touch. Coconut shrimp. And then we got a little tartar sauce, a little honey mustard. Simple. What do you think, guys? Just tell me what you think. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe and share. You know, if you're a friend, you gotta share it, okay? Don't just watch it. Share it. That's the only way we're gonna keep making those videos. And please press the bell button to be notified whenever I upload another video, guys. Isn't that beautiful? See you guys next time.